Finishing touches on my beautiful 2000 well-kept 8 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. This is the last 2 easy steps, and we'll get started here in a second. 2 more steps in the final installation of EZUFT. This is a guide pin that goes into the roll bar, and the top of it is very blunt when it comes from Jeep because of the new angle of this returning to its place rather than coming straight down. The front edge needs to be filed off. You're going to feel a little resistance when you first open your top. That is this pin coming out of the hole, but when you return it, unless you file this down a little bit, it's gonna hit, and you're gonna want to remove the front edge or round the whole top of it off. But that it will cure that when it returns to the hole, it will guide itself in that much easier. And next we'll talk about the bumpers. This is all about bumper placement for the freedom panels to rest on. They're on the inner 2 ribs, and they're all in a straight line, as you can see. This is a JK model, and they get placed in that straight line 21 inches from the rear of the back strut. See all the back struts? 21 inches from the rear of the back struts. The JLs, they get placed at 16 inches from the rear of the back strut. So that is a difference between the JL and the JKs. This is pad placement for the JLs. We have 4 of them lined up on the back, 16 inches from the rear of the back strut that you see there. The ribs these JLs go on is the first rib in, you skip a rib, and into the 3rd. Same thing on the other side. And the JKs, they're on these 2 center ribs. That's a difference on the JL. So make sure your pad placement is right, and follow the instructions in your box for a JL, and you can't go wrong. Anyway, this is a JL installed, looking down on it. So you follow the instructions and you will have success.